Have you ever stopped to think about what's really living on your skin? It's a question that might make you squirm. But the truth is, your skin is a bustling ecosystem. A complex world teeming with life you can't even see with the naked eye. Today, we're diving deep under the microscope to uncover the shocking reality of what's really living on your skin. First, let's talk about the big players, bacteria. These microscopic organisms are everywhere, and your skin is no exception. In fact, your skin is home to trillions of bacteria, a diverse community known as the skin microbiome. Now, before you start reaching for the hand sanitizer, not all bacteria are bad. Many of these bacteria are actually beneficial, helping to protect your skin from harmful pathogens and keeping it healthy. They work by competing with the bad guys, preventing them from taking hold and causing infections. They also help regulate your skin's pH and produce essential vitamins. But of course, some bacteria can cause problems. Staphylococcus aureus, for example, can lead to skin infections like impetigo, or even more serious conditions. It's a constant battle, a delicate balance between good and bad bacteria, all playing out on your skin's surface. Next up, we have fungi. Yes, you heard that right, fungi. These often overlooked organisms also call your skin home. The most common type of fungi found on the skin are yeasts, like Malassezia. These yeasts are usually harmless, but under certain conditions, they can overgrow and cause issues like dandruff or even more serious fungal infections. Fungi thrive in warm, moist environments, which is why areas like your feet and groin are particularly susceptible. Maintaining good hygiene, keeping your skin dry, and avoiding tight clothing can help keep these fungal populations in check. Then, there are mites, microscopic creatures that often get a bad rap. Demodex mites are tiny, 8-legged arthropods that live in your hair follicles and pores. They feed on sebum, the oily substance your skin produces. While the thought of mites crawling on your face might seem unsettling, they're actually quite common, and usually they don't cause any problems. In fact, most people have them, and you probably wouldn't even know they're there. However, in some cases, an overpopulation of Demodex mites can lead to skin issues like rosacea or acne. So, what does all this mean? Well, your skin is much more than just a protective barrier. It's a vibrant, dynamic ecosystem, a complex world of bacteria, fungi, and mites, all interacting in a delicate balance. Most of the time, these organisms live in harmony, contributing to your skin's health and protecting it from harm. However, when things get out of balance, problems can arise. Maintaining good hygiene, eating a healthy diet, and avoiding harsh chemicals can help support a healthy skin microbiome, keeping the good guys in charge and minimizing the risk of skin issues.